Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up Smartsheet Timeline View. This is incredibly useful for visualizing your project schedules and tracking deadlines in a Gantt chart style format. Let's dive in and get this set up step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you've got the right login details handy so you can access your workspace without any hiccups. After logging in, you'll land on your Smartsheet dashboard. From here, you need to either select an existing sheet that you want to work with or create a brand new one. If you're starting fresh, simply click on the Create button and choose a blank sheet. This gives you a clean slate to build your timeline view from scratch. Now here's something important to understand. Timeline view in Smartsheet requires you to have at least one column with the date type. Without this, the timeline feature simply won't work because it needs date information to plot your tasks on the visual timeline. So let's create that date column first. To do this, right-click on any existing column header. You'll see a menu pop up with several options. From that menu, select either Insert Column Left or Insert Column Right, depending on where you'd like your new date column to appear. This flexibility lets you organize your sheet exactly how you need it. Once the new column appears, you can name it something relevant like Start Date, Due Date, or Deadline. However, the most critical part here is setting the column type. Make sure you change the column type to Date. This is what enables Smartsheet to recognize this column as time-based data for your timeline view. After setting up your date column, go ahead and input at least one date into it. Just click on a cell in that column and enter a date in the format. Smartsheet recognizes this date entry is necessary because the timeline view needs actual data to display. Without any dates entered, there won't be anything to visualize on your timeline. Now comes the exciting part. Look at the top of your sheet where you'll see different view options. You should see a button that says Grid or Table, which is your current view. Click on that button, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Timeline. This switches your entire view from the traditional spreadsheet format to a visual timeline layout. And there you have it. You'll now see your timeline view displayed on the screen. Your tasks will appear as bars plotted against the dates you entered, giving you that visual Gantt chart style overview of your project schedule. You can now easily track when things start, when they end, and how different tasks overlap or connect. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.